Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have x, y, x. They are the root number 1. And this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, we have number 1, dv over dx multiplied by s. This one, we have number 1, dx over dx multiplied by v. And this is about the product rule of the derivative. So we need to simplify. Next, about this one, that is about this one, and now we need to transform this one into this one. Why we change for vs? Next, we need to divide both sides by s. Now, v and v we cancel for the both sides. Next, ds and s I will put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, that is about v. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 1, y equals to negative number 1. So I will put this one gone here, here, and negative number 1 gone here. So we can find c equals to negative number 1. Because Fn number 1, that is about number 0. So we put negative number 1 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.